But I also have drama going on. I was riding through Iowa City and was having trouble shifting, downshifting more specifically. And I tried to adjust this sucker and then realized that the cable's coming apart in there. So hopefully I can make it to my scheduled overnight at my new friend's house in Iowa, and hopefully maybe get a cable either ordered or go pick one up somewhere before this thing snaps completely, because I can ride a bike without a clutch as long as I can start it without the clutch being in. In other words, if I could start it in first gear with the starter, but the problem with that is interlock. So kickstand interlock, clutch interlock, all those things are safety devices, but they suck if your clutch is broken. So yeah, in other words, I can shift on the fly. I know how to shift a motorcycle without a clutch. It's just getting it going from neutral is the problem. So anyway, I've just called around a couple places looking for a clutch. I may just head on to my overnight. Hopefully the clutch cable will hold up till I get there, and then we can figure it out from there. I don't want to be stuck on the side of the road, though. That's gonna suck. Might as well have a busted engine, clutch cable. I don't think they're going to be able to make one of these up, so I think my best bet now is to order a new cable, have it shipped in, pick it up, or have it shipped to my new friend's house. We'll see.